Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk. Today now we are discussing about savings. How the savings is very important for our life. So before we are going to see the video, who all are not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon button for you will get more notifications. Whenever I am uploading videos, you will get notifications from the YouTube channels. So savings. So generally, people are working for 25 age to 60 age. So after they'll get retirement at the age of 60. So life expects for 65 to 70 years. After retire, we live for 15 to 20 years. We recover money for next 15 to 20 years. So we need to savings for at the working time. So savings is like plant a tree. So it's how the seed became tree. Like the small amount you invest and it grow like big amounts. So you have some amount for your pocket money, you should split it for 10 coins. So and it for 10 coins, you should save for first one coin you should save. At the year end 365 coins you get saved. It create 30 extra coins. So 365 coins plus 30 extra coins you should reinvest. It is create again. So you should reinvest that amounts. It create big seed become tree. How that's like it's small amount of money it's grow big. So we need to ensure 3 points for our saving times. That is for control your expenditure, multiply your money, and increase your ability of skills. Have increase your ability to earn. So control your expenditure for for you should save your first 10 percentage of money. Monthly you will get some amount of money. Your first 10 percentage of minimum 10 percentage. I am telling, if you invest more than 10 it is okay, it is good. So minimum 10 percentage of money you should monthly invest, and that reinvest the 10 percentage of money. It is for your long time. So whenever you have to start for very early, it is good and it is growing more fast, and you will get more extra money. And then multiply your money. It is like you should invest for debit, equity, and precious metal and real estates. And you should invest your money and you will get. And you should increase your ability to earn. So generally humans are working and they're getting some money. It is called for primary money. The 10 percentage of money is savings and they'll get some extra money. It is called for secondary money. You should generate but that secondary income, and it is you should grow fast and you should grow more the secondary incomes. So the secondary incomes you need to reach like primary incomes. After you can retire also in primary incomes. So like I am telling to you that savings is important for our life. For we want save very predict and very easy for you. So thank you. Tomorrow we can see some other good topics of financial and investment video ones. Thank you.